Hello, my friends. Oh, I didn't say my lovely friends. I gotcha! Today, I'm gonna be heading over to my buddy's place. He has a new exhaust he just got for his F150 Lariat with a V8. So it's gonna sound pretty sweet. I think it's a catback exhaust too. So I'm gonna drive over there right now, help him install it, and I'll see you guys there. Look at that, we're here. So Tim, what are we doing today?
We're gonna be installing that exhaust over there.
The Corsa.
It took a long time because they messed up. They sent me the one for a Sierra instead of a Ford F150. So anyways, don't buy anything off of Auto Anything. I had to deal with Corsa directly.
Oh, did you? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, because Auto Anything basically told me that they wouldn't do anything. Interesting. So anyways, open it up and put it on the truck.
All right, unboxing time. Just yeet it open or?
Time.
Other than they sent the Silverado one, right?
Yeah, Silverado or Sierra, whatever the heck it was. Yeah.
That's one of the benefits of working on new vehicles. Things aren't such a pain.
Yeah, they aren't like rusted to crap.
Squirter.
Alright. So I heard that Windex works really good. WD-40 ruins the rubber. But soapy water,
yeah.
See, Windex works.
So removing this bracket right here, so we can easily get rid of the, or take off the grommet, or exhaust hanger, whatever we want to call it.
All right, I think she's gonna go.
Yes. So we've decided to read the instructions and loosen some more bolts. The exhaust is meant to slide out as one piece. A little bit easier said than done. Alright, we're starting it up without the muffler. Oh my god! Sweet! Rev it, rev it, rev it, rev it. Your neighbor. I'm just kind of supporting it.
Alright, so now we guys have a push. That's it. Here, I gotta put mine first. Alright, I'm like in the hole. There we go. Ow. Ow.
Almost there. Alright, everything's lined up and ready to be tightened. It didn't go too bad, didn't it?
No, it went actually pretty smoothly. A lot smoother than I thought it would actually go, but
yeah.
Turn
the camera back on, get back to you when this thing's all bolted up and take her out for a rip. The grand finale.
Oh yeah, right there.
Alright, everything's bolted up.
Corsa DB Performance exhaust. Start her up. Oh my. Oh my God. That is great. This is what I wanted for so long. Oh, this is perfect. It sounds so good. Nothing replaces a V8.
Well, smaller turbocharged engines. Gee, that's awesome.
Goodness.
Woo!
Oh my goodness. This is the best thing ever.
Wow, that's really quiet inside.
Yeah.
That's
crazy.
That's impressive.
They do that really well.
Hear an echo off the things there? The underpass test. You feel like a fat kid in a candy shop.
That sound is unreal. Highly recommend Corsa exhaust. It is unreal. It's quiet in the cab, but like outside it's awesome. You roll down a window and you just hear that V8 roar and come to life. It is, it's awesome. Highly recommend it.
Yeah, it's a good exhaust. Yeah, and the install went pretty smoothly too, which was nice.
Yeah, install was really easy. It's just really just a couple of bolts and that's it.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we had making it. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.